Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to offer memberships and packages online with paid plans on Wix. This is an incredibly powerful way to monetize your website by creating structured pricing tiers for services, content, or products. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in and set this up. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Catalog. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Pricing Plans. This is where all your membership and package offerings will be managed, and it's the central hub for creating different tiers that your customers can subscribe to. Once you're on the Pricing Plans page, look toward the top right part of your screen. You'll notice a button that says Plus Create Plan. Click on this button to begin building your first membership or package plan. This is where you'll define what your customers will receive and how much they'll pay for it. Now, all we need to do is set up your plan information. Start by adding a name and description for your plan. Make it clear and appealing so potential subscribers understand exactly what they're signing up for. Then, in the field below, enter the features of this plan. For example, you might include tutorials, computer classes, exclusive content, or any other offerings that align with your business. After that, scroll down and you'll see a section where you can select the benefits for this plan. You can choose from options like booking services, online programs, blog subscriptions, or events membership. These benefits help clarify what value your subscribers will get from this plan. Next, scroll down further to select your pricing strategy. You have three main options here: free plan, one-time payment, or recurring payments. Depending on your business model, you'll want to choose the one that makes the most sense. Under the price fields, add in the value of your plan and select the frequency from the drop-down selection such as monthly or yearly. You also have the option to enable a setup fee or offer a free trial by toggling the buttons beside them. These features can be great for attracting new subscribers or covering initial onboarding costs. Now, set the plan duration by selecting the length from the drop-down menu, then set the start date for when this plan becomes available. In the settings section, you have additional control options. You can limit one subscription per customer to prevent duplicate signups, and you can allow plan cancellation if you want to give your subscribers flexibility. You can also add a plan policy, which outlines the terms and conditions, and even attach a custom form or link for this subscription if you need to collect additional information from your subscribers. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Save at the top right part of your screen. Your pricing plan is now live and ready to be offered to your customers. You've successfully set up a membership or package plan on Wix that can help you generate recurring revenue and build a loyal subscriber base. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.